A legal framework to regulate and govern the booming cryptocurrency investment market in India may now see the light of day, and as early as next February, Finance Ministry officials have told Business Today Television that a law for cryptocurrencies would most likely come around by the time of the next general budget.
Good news for the millions who want to invest in cryptocurrencies but are scared off by the illegality of it. Sources in Finance Ministry have told Business Today TV that cryptos could be a legal asset class in a few months. It is a departure from an earlier approach which proposed a complete ban on cryptocurrencies. Sources say the government is likely to opt for regulating cryptocurrencies just as it does with commodities, with a tax on all transactions and gains. There is reportedly a feeling in the government that instead of fighting technology, it is better to regulate and ensure investors are not hurt. This change has come about over the past several months, with the government treading cautiously on this matter.
We are very clear that we are not shutting all options off. We will allow a certain amount of a window for people to use, so that experiments in the blockchain, the Bitcoin, or whatever you may want to call it, the cryptocurrency experiments and fintech, which depend on such experiments, will have that window available for them. We are not going to shut it off all.
Currently, India has no legal framework governing cryptocurrencies, even though an estimated 15 million Indians have turned crypto investors. Dozens of startups operating in this space has fueled an unprecedented investment boom, despite the seeming risks of investing in an unregulated product. There has been a sharp uptick in crypto investments since May this year, after the RBI asked banks to not warn customers against cryptocurrency trading.
One is it's a large ecosystem. About 20 million people, 2 crore people in India today are into crypto. The second is, if you look at every other country, every other democratic nation at least is getting into the regulatory zone of crypto, where they're figuring out how to regulate it. And then you have companies in the US going IPO. So I think India's stance is definitely going in the direction of regulation. And you rarely now hear about anything related to a ban or anything, because now that seems so old school to even think that you are going to ban crypto as an issue.
The biggest hurdle to cryptocurrencies was the banning of cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill proposed in 2019. This bill has been quietly scrapped. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
It is a BTTV exclusive that the government is looking to introduce a crypto law regulation around early next year during the general budget. My colleague Karishma Sudani has got this news for us. Karishma, take us through it, the details you've learned and how the government's really planning to take this forward.
Well, picking from the power corridors of India, it's BTTV exclusive, and Finmin sources tell us that a legal framework to regulate and govern the cryptocurrency investment market could finally see the light of the day by early next year, and that is probably going to be around the time of union budget that we're expecting some kind of announcement to come. This is going to be a big relief to a lot of crypto users and also companies who've been in the race of hearing this from the government. In fact, sources tell us that government is looking to regulate cryptocurrency under asset class, and currently a lot of meetings have been happening with the officials in Finance Ministry, Reserve Bank of India, and also from the industry. The government is looking to regulate it and is thinking that a regulation should be such that seeks to avoid any kind of potential pitfalls. So much awaited news. I think in about 2 to 3 months' time, that's something we will officially hear.